Have you ever wondered how to turn your Facebook page into a money-making machine? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to apply for monetization on your Facebook page. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or computer, the process is the same. The first thing we need to do is switch from your personal profile to your Facebook page. So open the Facebook app and tap the menu button. Usually on the bottom right on an iPhone. From there, you'll see a button for your professional dashboard. Tap on that. You see a bunch of stats and insights in the dashboard, but don't get sidetracked. We're here for the money. Scroll down in the professional dashboard until you see monetization. Go ahead and tap and see all. This is where you find all the different ways you can earn money on Facebook. You can explore a few options here. There's in-stream ads. This allows you to earn money from short ads that play during your video content. Stars, fans can buy and send you stars to show their appreciation during a live video or on-demand content. And then there's subscriptions. Your biggest fans can pay a monthly fee for exclusive content and perks. As you tap into each of these, you'll see your eligibility status. If you meet the requirements, you can submit your interest directly. If not, Facebook will tell you exactly what you need to do to qualify, like meeting a certain number of followers or video views. Keep in mind that Facebook has specific eligibility requirements, so it's a good idea to click on the Learn More link to get all the details. Once you apply, Facebook will review your submission and let you know within a few days if you've been approved to start earning money. Ever wonder how to create a new Facebook page? Check out this video to learn now.